I'd like to talk today about choosing a palette, a color palette for your artwork. Sometimes it's very confusing for me, but I want to give you some tips. Hello, my name is Gail McFarland and welcome to Tuesday Art Talk. Most of the time I go to my trusty old color wheel and I look at it to figure out what colors will work best for my painting. Sometimes it stumps me still. So I want to tell you another site that I use that inspires me when it comes to picking up a nice good palette for my paints. It is Pantone. So I have Pantone right here. The first thing I do is I look up the color of the year. Now the color of the year is the color that they use for products, for interior design, and for fashion. Now I want to tell you I'm not being paid by Pantone in any way, but this website helps me. Not only am I curious about the colors that are going to be popular for the year, but I want to show you another page that I find interesting. So that is the different color palettes. The different color palettes that they show you right here are palettes that will enhance the color of the year. I always don't go by every single color that they recommend, but it inspires me and it enhances my creativity and I pick and choose the colors. Now another little site on this, another little section, is a whole bunch of products for interior designers, graphic artists, and you can look at that and buy products like color sheets and color wheels and different things like that that will help you get over that stump or hump, I should say, when it comes to choosing your color palette. So I use this, I go to this, and I use my creativity. How do you get over that when you can't figure out what colors to choose? Let me know. I hope this website helps you. So until next week, bye-bye.